Good morning, world. It's G-Fam again. It's a new year. It's 2019, and last couple weeks ago I kept saying to myself, new year, new face. So today's the day. It's the first day of the year, and we're going to get rid of all of this. About last year in January, same time, I decided to stop cutting it. So now, this year, I decided I'm going to get rid of it.
I've only seen his chin one time in 11 years.
So, here we go.
That looks like. You look so young, babe. I'm a little jelly. I wish I could shave off some hair and look 10 years younger. Realize how skinny you got until shave that big double chin off.
Well, there it is. My new face.
Money, money.
So, next stop is shaving. It's been a long time since I've seen that face. I love it.
Alright, champ, can you tell the folks what you're about to experience? For the first time in one whole year. Say, come on out, Daddy.
Come on out, Daddy.
What did you just tell Daddy?
He looks like the guy who mail gives the mail away.
He looks like the guy from Whoville. What did you just tell Daddy? You want him to
This box.
grow his beard back? Do you like it?
Well, there you have it, folks. Me shaving off a year-old beard. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I appreciate your guys' support. Like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.